Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Iray. My name is Daniela. Today we are going to talk about the present perfect continuous in relation to the Rasmus in the shadow. If you're new to my channel, I would just want to stop and say hello. I'm an English teacher and I publish videos related to studying English through music. So if you're interested in that topic, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a new video I upload every week. Now, let's get into the topic. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about unfinished actions that started in the past and continue in the present. Birds have been singing. We also use it to talk about temporary habits and situations, so the action started in the past and it still continues, but we do not actually answer the question, how long? For example, I've been reading a lot recently. We also use it to talk about actions that recently stopped, but they have the effect on the present. Either we can taste it, smell it, feel it, or the emphasis is on the action itself. For example, I'm so tired, I have been writing, or I'm so tired, I've been studying. So as you can probably see, the action is much more important. So we put an emphasis on an action or on the duration of the particular action. And the form goes like this: have or has plus been plus ing form of the verb. The positive sentence: it has been raining all day. Negative sentence: he hasn't been speaking. Question: how long have you been waiting? 9 expressions we use in this tense are how long, for, since, all day, the whole day. Okay, let's practice. Complete the sentences using present perfect continuous. 1. I have been working since 7 o'clock. Can I go home now? 2. Why are your hands dirty? Have you been gardening? 3. We haven't been learning English very long. 4. They are exhausted. They have been painting the house. 5. I've been searching. I've been living for tomorrow all my life. If you know the song, you know that this sentence is from the song In the Shadows. Now, go and check the links below, listen to the song and tell me if it was easier for you to remember the present perfect continuous this way. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing if you're interested in content like this. See you in my next one. Goodbye.